Hey, boys and girls, today we're going to have a little fun because obviously you've got a problem. The problem is Windows Defender is not doing this. When you try to open Windows Defender, you're getting some crazy message that says you have to go to the App Store and try to locate an app, find an app, whatever. Nope, you don't do that. So basically, we're going to fix this. It's very simple. It could not be any easier. What I want you to do first is come down here and right click on PowerShell, find PowerShell, okay, and then run as administrator, and then click yes, okay, and then you're going to put this app or this code in. Now, I've already taken the time for you to cut this app out of this right here. This is it, and I'll put it in the description. Copy. Okay, right there. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to just right click on this, okay? And all of this is magically going to appear. If it doesn't, please enter it now. And I'll have it down below here for you. Just enter this, press return or enter. And that's it. That's it. Do a reboot. Okay. And then come over here. And when you start your computer, you will have your Windows security back. Something happens, guys, on an update of Windows, and it creates a problem where Windows does not know where the app is or something. It's still there, and you probably haven't been hacked, although I would recommend that you go ahead and you do another, you do a scan after you get up and running. But that's it, guys. That should work. Again, I'm going to do this real quick. We're going to go find PowerShell. Okay. Right click. Run as administrator. Yes. And then right click, and it's going to automatically put this in for you. Now remember, you have to copy the code that I'm going to put below in the description into here. Okay. And if your copy function doesn't work, just type it in exactly as it appears here. Okay. Hit enter and then reboot, and you guys will be good to go. That's it. And it should work for you. Good luck.